Hello students. Today we'll be starting a grammar topic that is models. Now you must have studied this topic in your previous classes also. So see, what are models? Models are those helping verbs which express the mode or manner of the actions indicated by the main verb. They express modes such as possibility, permission, probability, ability, etc. We all know that there are main verbs. Okay, there are two kinds of verbs. One is main verb, and another one is helping verb. What are main verbs? Like build, dance, sing, eat, drink. All these are main verbs, and the way in which these main verbs are used in a sentence, that is told by whom? By models. Like we have adverbs also. What are the functions of adverbs? Adverbs also qualify a verb. It tells what is the how the work was done. Verb means something done, some action done or said, and adverb qualifies the verb and says how that thing was done. Similarly, models are helping verbs. Okay, and this tells us in which way these are used in a particular sentence. Okay, they express the mode, the manner of what? Manner of the main verb, whether there is a possibility, what it's a permission, it's a probability or ability. These are the main task of models. Now what are the commonly used models that we use in sentences? These are can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must, need, ought to, have to, and had to. For example, can I go to the market? For example, may I use your pen please? So these are the common sentences. These are the models we use in our daily life. Now what are the nature of models? Now nature, it is very important to understand the nature of models in order to use it while speaking and writing. First nature of model is models are never used alone. Model, whenever it is used in a sentence, it is used with a verb. It is never used alone. Okay, they have a verb with them. For example, I can upon the harmonium. In this sentence, I is the subject, can is a model, upon is a preposition, and harmonium is the object. So I can upon the harmonium. In this sentence, we cannot find any verb. We have used the model, but we have not used a verb. That means this sentence is incorrect, because each and every sentence needs a verb to qualify a model. If there is no verb, then that sentence will not be correct. It should have a verb. Subject, verb, object, this is the proper structure of a sentence. These three things should be in the sentence. Sometimes a sentence can also be made with what? Made subject and verb. For example, I said, I did. This is also correct sentence, though it's a short sentence, but without a verb we cannot think about a sentence. Now we can see the sentence given below, that is I can play upon the harmonium. This is a correct sentence because here we have used the word play, that is a verb. I can, I is the subject, can is a model, play is, what is play? Play is verb, upon is preposition, the is article, and harmonium is the object. I can play upon the harmonium. This is the correct sentence. So model is useful only when there is a verb. Model is used in order to qualify verb. As adverb qualifies verb, similarly models also tells about the manner in which a verb is used in a particular sentence, and without verb we cannot think about models. So there are other nature also of models, and there are functions of models. So we will be discussing those in our next class.